In this video, we are going to restore patients from a patient CD. I'm going to be restoring example patients so that we make sure we don't have any kind of HIPAA violations. If we look at our system right now on the main workspace, we don't see any patients. If I open the patient browser, we have no patients. This system is completely void of any patients. So what we're going to do is we're going to import some patients from that CD. Import patient data, and from a Pegasys archive CD, select. It will go out and it will read all of the patients on that CD. You can see it scanning them down there at the bottom. And it'll provide me a list. So I can go through and highlight all of the patients. Everybody selected, and then I would click on this icon. If I click on this icon, it's going to do what it says. It will rescan the entire CD. Obviously, the more patients, the longer it takes. I'm going to click on import. If I click on the X, I will just go back. Nothing's imported. So import exam. As we're importing the exams, it will tell you what it's doing, and you will see it essentially eliminating the items. So it imported this gated spec, then that gated spec, then the quality assurance, and you can actually see it going through study by study of this patient. The bigger the file, obviously the longer it takes. Importing entire patients or entire CDs is probably not your best choice. You generally are going to want to be very selective on what you want to import because you don't want to take up your drive space. You notice right down here it's saying I am 7% utilized. This is actually a somewhat of a misnomer. That 7% is telling me how much of my hard drive is used. It is not telling me how much of my patient space is used. If I was to go to my computer and where we at? C drive. Right click on my C drive, go to properties. You will see that I have approximately 7% if you were to compute it out. We have approximately 7% of our drive utilized. So if I look, everything seems to be done. Status is imported on everything. If I open patient browser, you're going to see a whole bunch of other patients. So I have patients. The support staff at Universal Medical are here to assist you with all of your nuclear medicine technical and parts related questions. Please call us at 888-239-3510.